Hi once again. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Anand. I'm gonna give you some tips to make anime drawing easier. So let's begin. Tip number 1. Just a second. Anime drawing is not an easy style of drawing. Anime drawing is not an easy task, but you can make it easy by practicing. Start learning different styles, anatomy, and features to make easier. Tip number 2. Why composition is important while drawing anime. Composition defines how well you arrange things in a picture. Learn how to predict the lines, shapes, and colors to make the drawing looks better. Tip number 3. Learning the basics of drawing helps you a lot. Learning the fundamentals will help you with every style you want to draw. It improves your drawing ability. Tip number 4. Do understand the drawing before you start. Understanding things will help you to draw characters from your imagination. Tip number 5. Using guidelines is good in positioning body parts correctly. Guidelines help you to draw easily and to position everything right. Following guidelines is good for a beginner to reduce mistakes. Last thing, shading is important to define how light reflects in different shapes. Learning the proportion and shading will improve your drawing